Welcome, in front of me is DELL Latitude 5400, and in this video I will show you how to use copying and pasting features on this laptop. First, let me create an empty text document in order to show you how it works with text. Let's enter some sample text. Now, to copy it, you have to first select either the entire text or part of it, and then right-click and select copy, or use CTRL C combination of keys. Alternatively, you can cut the text out by right-clicking it and selecting cut, or just using CTRL X combination of keys. In order to paste the text, you have to use CTRL V combination of keys, or just right-click and select paste. Additionally, you can use the clipboard feature. To enable it, use Windows V combination of keys, click turn on, and now you can make different selections with either CTRL C or right click copy. And then by using Windows V, you can select which of these recent clips you want to paste next. And that's all the primary copying and pasting features on your laptop. Now let me show you how they work in your File Explorer. So let's go to the File Explorer, and for example, let's open the Videos folder. Here we have the screen recordings folder with one screen recording in it. If you want to copy it, you have to select it and either click copy icon right here, or right click, select copy, or again use CTRL C combination of keys. If you want to cut this file out of here, you have to either select it and click cut right here, or use right click and find the cut icon right here, or just use CTRL X combination of keys. If you want to paste this video, either select the paste icon right here, or right click and select paste, or just use CTRL V combination of keys. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.